Hey guys, it's Super Bowl time. So let's head into the kitchen and make some Super Bowl yummies. Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and it's Super Bowl Sunday, and it is time to make some Super Bowl yummies, okay? I've got two different ones that we're gonna make today. The first one is in my crock pot, so we gotta get it started, okay? First off, and like I've said this numerous times before, these things are an absolute godsend. Okay, if you use your crock pot, you have to use these because it makes cleanup so easy. And especially with something like this, it makes all the difference in the world. So trust me. And it's like I said, it's super easy to put in and get all ready. So there we go. We're set and ready to go. So we are going to do a recipe I've been doing forever and ever and ever, and it's meatballs. Use whichever kind of meatballs you like. I chose to get the Angus beef ones. And you can also do as little or as much. If you're serving expecting a bigger amount of people, then you could do a bigger one. But I'm just going to make a little bit of a small batch for right now. So we're going to get these into the crock pot. And these are some pretty big meatballs. These are some pretty healthy meatballs for sure, but that's okay. We don't mind that. Okay, so we got this out, and we are going to start with grape jelly. Okay, roundabouts a cup, a little bit over, depending, like I said, depending on how many you're doing. I'm doing just about a cup and a quarter, so got that in there. And then barbecue sauce. Your choice, barbecue sauce. This happens to be the Sweet Baby Ray's, which is my favorite barbecue sauce. So we are going to get that in there. Get all those meatballs nice and covered. And that's it. That is absolutely all there is to it. We're going to cover this, and we're going to put this on about medium, and we're going to let this sit for a couple of hours. And the beauty about this is that once they're done, turn it down to warm, and these suckers can stay in the crock pot for the entire game. So people can get in and out. You eat however much or little they want. So that's our first one, okay? So I'll check back with you in a little bit. All right, let's check on these meatballs because they smell really good. And they look even better. These are some big old balls, aren't they? Look at how yummy that looks. All right, so this is the first half of our Super Bowl yummies that we're making. For our next ones, we are going to make little pizzas, little individual pizzas. So these really are the perfect thing to do if you're doing a Super Bowl party because you can just literally set everything out and people can do whichever toppings they want. This is actually something that I've been doing since I was a kid. My mom used to do this when we were young, and I've always thought it was the greatest idea, and I have continued to do it with my kids. So all you need, English muffins. And I kind of pre-toast them just a little teeny tiny bit, not too much, but just enough in the toaster. Obviously, they're going to finish up in the oven, but we don't want them to be too soft and our toppings to be overdone. That's why I kind of pre-toast them a little bit. So it's really simple. You get your pizza sauce, and you're just going to kind of dress them all up with however much or however little pizza sauce you want. I know some people love to have a whole bunch and some people not so much, but very customizable. Our oven is already preheated. We've got it at 400 degrees because, like I said, we want to make sure these get nice and done. So let's get this all spread up real quick, make it all pretty. So you literally have your own itty bitty little pizzas, you know, so. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely share with your friends and click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, all right? Okay, so we've got our pizza sauce done. Of course, regular mozzarella, I like to do it kind of a little bit on the bottom and a little bit more on the top once they get done, but that's just me. And like I said, you can do anything. The toppings, the possibilities are really endless. And like I said, it is really handy when you have a lot of people over because they can make their own, and then you just throw them in the oven for a little bit, sit back, watch the game, and then you're done, and then you got your mini pizzas. You're all good to go. So we're going to do a little bit of everything, okay? I've got some Canadian bacon here, so we're going to have some Canadian bacon and pineapple. Do not give me a hard time about pineapple on my pizza. I love pineapple on my pizza. Don't hate, okay? It's not right. Right, and then we have got pepperoni, because who doesn't like pepperoni on their pizza? And I think on this one we will also add some jalapenos for those people that like this spice. Gotta have the spiciness on there. And then I will do a veggie with a little bit of everything. I've got some black olives, I've got some mushrooms, I've got some onion, I've even got some tomato. So, look at all that. Yummy, yummy, yumminess. So, yeah, like I said, we can do just about any combination you can think of. So, I'm going to go ahead and kind of make my own different combinations here, and then we'll come back and get them put in the oven, okay? All right, let's get these in the oven because I am dying to eat them. All right. So we'll put them in for probably about 10 minutes and just kind of check them. It depends on your oven. So we'll see what we come up with, okay? All right. Our little mini pizzas have been in the oven for, it's been about 11 minutes or so. Don't they look yummy? All right. We're going to plate up our Super Bowl yummies. Get ready to watch a game. We've got our pizzas on our plate. Now we're going to come over here and we are going to get us some meatballs. Oh, goodness, look at how good those meatballs look. Meatballs are ginormous too. Oh, yummy. Maybe just one more. Look at that. There we go. So I don't know about you, but that looks like a yummy plate to sit down, watch some football. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I know I did. So I hope you guys have a good time watching the game later on tonight, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.